What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. So today's video is going to be the top mods that every Jeep needs. So these are going to be mods that change how the Jeep performs on and off road, change the appearance of the Jeep, all that kind of stuff. And these are just going to be my top mods, all mods that I've done to my Jeep personally, so I would feel comfortable recommending to you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, before we get started, I did want to announce the giveaway winner from last video's decal pack giveaway. Keep in mind, guys, we're giving away a decal pack every single video we upload. All you have to do to enter is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your Instagram username down below. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and go over today's winner. Last video's winner is Dylan.Custer on Instagram. Make sure you check your DM. We sent you a message to get shipping information. Keep in mind, guys, we will be giving away a decal pack every single video we upload. So the first mod on our list today is the Throttle controller. Now, one big misconception I see online is that this adds power to your car. It does not add any power to your car. All it does is it reduces the lag in the throttle response. So when you hit the gas, it automatically goes. There's no like weird pause in between. So the has multiple modes you can use. I'll link all these products down in the description for you guys to check out yourselves, and I'll include discount codes if possible. Next on the list is definitely a solid steering setup. I personally run an RPM 2.5 ton aluminum steering. I've run steel and aluminum, and after wheeling both, I definitely prefer aluminum, but you definitely want a solid steering setup just to hold everything together, give you the best performance on and off road. With these giant tires we're always putting on our Jeeps, the big lifts, everything like that, you definitely want to invest in a solid steering setup. The next mod is actually under the hood. Now, I don't have any good daytime clips of this product, so I'll insert this one, but it's the Hood Halo Rockin LED kit. It's super simple to install. You can run the switch anywhere, super bright, and I'll install some clips at night right now so you guys can check it out. As you guys can see, super bright at night. It's super helpful if you have a problem on the trail or breakdown on the side of the road at night. This lights up your entire engine bay. Definitely one of my favorite mods, and it's only $50. So you can't really beat that. I'll also link this in the description. Our next few mods are all going to be on the front end of the Jeep, and I think these are very, very important. So first off, you have to get rid of those stock Jeep headlights. We all know how dim those are. They do not light up at all. These are a cheap set off of Amazon. I got them for like $80. Zero issues with those. Definitely recommend them. And then next up on the list has to be a quality winch that's not going to let you down when you need it. There's nothing worse than getting stuck without a winch, and I'd rather have one and never use it than need one and not have it. I went with the Warren Xeon 10S winch, but there's tons of quality options out there for all different price ranges. But you definitely want to get a winch on your Jeep. It just changes everything. You're way more comfortable off-road. Definitely a good investment. And another mod that I think is super important is upgraded diff covers. These take a beating off-road. You don't even mean to put the Jeep on it. It just happens. I have the Curry diff covers front and rear that came with my axles. But I definitely recommend upgrading these. Just check out this clip and it'll tell you why. Next on the list has to be a quality soft top if you're running the OEM soft top. So nothing's worse than when your soft top leaks, it's super loud, all of that. So I'm actually running a Best Top Super Top Ultra. This is essentially the same soft top that comes off of a JL stock. It's just fitted to a Wrangler, a JK. So I absolutely love this top. It never leaks. It's super quiet inside of the Jeep when you're driving. I run it all year round with zero issues. So definitely a quality soft top has to be on your list of mods to do. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys would change anything on my list or if you would add anything. Like I said, I will be linking all of these products down in the description for you guys to check out yourselves. There's also a few discount codes that companies have offered me or I found online for these products, so I'll be sure to put those down as well so you guys can save a few dollars. We all know how expensive it is to build a Jeep, so every dollar counts. But also guys, don't forget that we are giving away a free decal pack every single video we upload. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment your Instagram username down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.